What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, we have a wig video. So Beauty Forever Hair was kind enough to send me their 20-inch Body Wave 6 by 4.75 wig. I've never gotten one of these wigs before, and it was so nice that the lace was already pre-plucked and cut, and all I had to do was literally just plop it on my head. But of course, I decided to bleach the knots, and then I forgot I was bleaching the knots. So I had to go in with my temporary method of using mascara to put back on the hair because I was not about to sit down and dye this hair. So what I do is just put the mascara on the hair, and so it doesn't transfer to my fingers or my tools that I'm using in the hair, I spray some of that Ebin spray on it, and I repeat the process all over the parts that I feel like are over bleached and the parts that you guys are going to see. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing here. So once everything is to my liking, or it looks decent, I go into the very front of the hairline and I pluck some hairs out because I didn't like how the hairline was looking. I wanted to customize it a little bit more, so I just plucked those out, and then further down into the video you'll see me adjusting the lace a little bit more. So I decided to try a new style because I am always doing center part, middle part. So I wanted to do something new. So I tried to fit it on my head first and see, how I like it. And then I'm going to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb to make sure everything is flat and in place. I like the density of this wig. It's not too thick. I don't really like wigs that are too thick because I like when wigs give silk press or it looks more on the natural side. So I'm happy that it wasn't too thick. And the wig cap, the structure of the wig cap was a little bit different. You can actually kind of see right through it. It was very breathable, and I actually really like that. At first I was concerned because I'm saying, is this wig finished? But I actually like it. So I just fixed that middle part with the wax stick once again, and then excuse the cars. So then I just go in with the hot comb. I'm just repeating the process, making sure everything is flat and in place before I put it on my head. I realized that this is the easiest way for me to do my wigs, is by styling it on the wig head and then making the necessary adjustment on my head. It saves me so much time. I don't get so frustrated. 10 out of 10 recommend. So I was contemplating if I wanted baby hairs or not, and I felt like this hairstyle needed some baby hairs. So I just took them out, twisted them on up, and when I put it on my head, I'll cut off the excess and do what I need to do. Now we're just gonna go in and do some wand curls, but nothing too tight, more like beach waves, just loose curls. So I go in with my mousse, put it all over the hair, and then I put on my glove because I'm always burning my hand. And then I just get to curling. It's really that simple. I'm not the best curler. I don't know the curling away from the face, curling toward the face. I just curl. Anyway, my hand catch it, I just saw it, I go. So that's pretty much all I'm doing. I hold it in my hand as soon as I take the curler off, and then I pin it up and I wait for it to cool completely before I take it out and I move on to the next step. And that's pretty much all I'm doing for the entirety of this head. So yeah, just watch. So I'm always seeing the girls flat iron their edges, and I really just could not be bothered to get my mini flat iron out, so I just wrapped it around the curling wand. I don't think that made a huge difference, but hey, may I try. So I'm just releasing the other curls now that they're all cooled down, and that is what it's looking like. Super cute, super cute. So I just went in with my powder foundation, put it on the inside of the lace, and plopped that right on my head. If I didn't cut off some of those hairs, this would have been ready to go. Do you see that? So that end of the lace right there, I'm just gonna cut that off, but first I'm just cutting off the baby hairs. And then I'm gonna adjust my little ponytail. I like that I wrapped it and it just came out so curly, but I felt like the curls didn't match the rest of my curls, so I went in with my curling wand and I gave myself some curls, but I did my edges first. So I just put some mousse on it and just do my edges the way how I normally do them. I think I cut off the lace off camera. I cut off the excess lace off camera, so it looked more seamless and it fit my head better. And I just put some of the mousse on the rest of the lace in the middle. I was going to tie it down, but I decided against it, so that's just me wrapping the hair around the wand. And this was pretty much the end of this style. It was not hard. It was really easy to do. I just used a little rubber band to put that middle part up. I didn't wrap any hair around the rubber band either. I don't really care that much to be doing all that. And yeah, I think I also kind of cleaned up the parts a little bit with concealer, but I hate doing that. It just doesn't look very natural to me, and every time the light hits it a certain way, it just looks extremely lighter than the rest of the lace, so I don't like it. But that's besides the point. That is pretty much it. That is the end result. I absolutely love it. If my hair was long and if people didn't know that I was bald-headed, I could easily get away with this. So thank you again to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring this video. Make sure you go click the link in the description if you want this hair, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.